David White from Connecticut Dent Works, and I've been a PDR tech for 28 years, and I've been around long enough to see the evolution of glue, and I'm happy to have Camauto in my house today. Man, I would say the last 8 years, maybe 10, have been, when you go to MTE, has been exponentially glue pulling.
Oh, for sure.
The tools, you can look around the shop and there's tools everywhere, but the advancements have been in glue. Today, using the Camauto glue tower was my first time using that, and just seeing what that does and how easy that makes life for what I do here, and the things that I don't do because I didn't have it. Now I have the option of bringing more work in, but just changes the game for guys like us, for sure. Better tabs, better glue, better release.
Yeah.
So pulling on that bedside today, that was a repaint, and we didn't pull the paint off, but that's amazing. New sticker of the year, folks.
He's hit the big time.